son up right here. All right.
God have mercy upon us.
All ladies.
All right. Why you pop the balloon?
One.
Alright peeps, welcome back to the channel. So this is our the second video on the channel. So today we're gonna actually react to the pop the balloon challenge. So I never really did take it in, to be honest, when I see it on social media. You see it, you know, it pop around the place, but I never really did take it in as in. So I'm actually genuinely gonna take it in now. So the first episode and the last episode we're gonna react to. You understand? So see from where it start to where it's been now. So I guess it's for 2024. So yeah. So if you like the series and everything and you want me to react to more, just let me know in the comment section. Alright? Alright, so let's go. I will just see him get woke. Everybody pop them balloon a while ago in the intro this so I guess that have a vibe. So we can see what I go. Jano.
In two manga. Two, in here look like when command folder look some of lay egg. Three, man we always say like gold digger and never have no gold for dig.
Can I say something?
Yeah.
Circus get holiday.
Alright, we shall now believe in a Jesus. Jesus.
50-50.
Why?
Well, from me know myself, me not really call upon God. Even when me in my dark.
Whoa.
Whoa. You see the thing is, you can't ramp with God. I know it just start. And I know say you know release, but you can't ramp with God, brother. You see when a simple question as and you can't even acknowledge that. I a so-called Jamaican brother. I'm not depend that. It's either God or God, and that's it.
Up today, you're here now. You could have get a sponge and sponge it out, you know. Come with something because you know, say, we are going to pull up. You get what I say? But big up yourself.
One thing I'm going to say, him is a paid actor. Him, paid actor. Him just come on, just start. You can clearly see the way my act. Yeah, him just come on and him not calm down, him not second. Feel if he be the first contestant, I behave like this, it kind of weird. So I feel like him that the brother just pay him for come on, you know, for the first episode. But could just continue and watch with that idea in our head. So we not really watch what him do. You understand me? Can him get paid already?
Self.
All right, Lindsay. Would it have been a match if she never popped the balloon?
N.
Oh.
No.
Why?
Come my head sick bad. Me mad. I'm in a boss gun. I'm in a gunman family. I'm in a gunman son.
To me, I'm not gonna lie to you, he's not no person who can match people, but them look like them could have matched because the two of them tall. You understand? Them and they pan like an average height. Them, you understand me? So I don't know what she has to still.
I'm in a gunman, brother. I'm in a gunman, man.
So me a talk about?
Me start the bridge. Physical.
Spit or swallow?
Spit.
Spit.
Really, why you give me that?
Oh man, believe in that solar thing.
Eh?
Listen to me. Them some of them not digest. I just you believe in a God.
You know what them say?
Evil.
Novo Pandora.
It's a banger! Yo, people, it's a pop the balloon or find love. Let me hear the ladies scream. This is the very first pop the balloon or find love. Yo, I need them for subscribe. 200,000.
Yeah, people go subscribe. Trouble link at the channel. Trouble link. So if you know I watch the rest of them, the rest of the episode them, trouble link. Yeah.
Subscriber, leave a like now. Ladies, are you ready? All right, so people, this is a pop the balloon or find love, okay? Ladies, when the guys them walk in, be truthful. If you don't like them, pop the balloon. If you don't like how them walk, anger them. If you don't like how them talk, triangle them. Okay? Yo, live boss, big up for the visual as always. And you don't know it's a bang. Yo, on the field. Who yet there?
I want him. I love the energy. Yeah, I love the energy. The first fight, for the first time, I love the energy. I like how he kick off with the energy. Yeah, I like that.
Please like the video.
Love the energy. Make you like it right now. Pan spot. See there? Easy. Back to the video. Say it easy.
I bring in the mail them. We're gonna find out what them say, you know. Live boss. Live! Banana chip. Wherever you are, I believe that your heart will come
Oh, this.
hard.
I the pay doctor. I'm not tell you. I tell you, say, no, him none.
Will stay.
Watch out.
Father.
Okay, you know.
Come to the side, Lindsay.
But don't need, you know, somebody have Lindsay machine and thing, you know? Oh, you don't like machine? Anyway, I don't know somebody have Lindsay machine and thing, yeah?
I see man tell you say pay doctor, bro, and it kinda obvious say he's a pay doctor. So the brother here, so I look for him. And I don't know what's his name, and I'm not know if you know him name. I'm sorry if you don't know him name, then I watch him channel. But to be honest, at the time I'm want to be as like that person. So I just I figure out who is this person, you know, learn about them with the channel. You understand? I don't want just and the system don't have no bias towards nobody. So I literally just know, see, well, not say I just a see, but if you know him name and you know who he is and stuff like that. So sorry if I don't know a couple names, you understand me? But if probably him same name through the video, but if you can just let me know, I'll me find out still. Me find out, cause me I watch the channel. Come on.
The good girl and forget things and things. I like baby girl if you date the broke boy them, that share broke boy them, yeah, them thing that back then from when Wacky kill Philo. So you don't know, sir, 2024 now. Yeah.
Alright, Lindsay.
Know,
Alright, Lindsay.
Cringe.
Alright, Lindsay, we'll go to the first person who popped the balloon, alright?
Yeah,
you come in with that intro.
Yeah, bro.
For sure them say, you're talented.
Talented, bro.
Alright, come in. Oh no.
Hey guys, you know it's your girl Lee, and you can follow me on Instagram at Lee_talkabout, and you also can find me on TikTok, Lee_talkabout11.
Why you pop a balloon?
The nappy ear business, and the lady, him enter acting like, you know, them feminine type of female, something they like.
Oh, like not.
And the spin just throw off everything.
You never like the intro? So it's not your type?
No, it's not.
Alright, so how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
5.
Alright, so Lindsay.
5. I wish I'd be nice, you know.
But no, if she never popped the balloon, would you date her?
More the data, like, I'm not cap, period, I'm not cap. First thing, you look
Where
like
this
a gold
brother
digger.
come from?
I'm not a shovel palm right now. So, anyway, next.
Hey guys, I don't know, say I want GPP. You can follow me on Instagram at GPP_Bianca. And do remember to follow my YouTube channel at Life with Bianca.
Why you pop the balloon?
Just a messy ear.
In ear? So if them they get a better trim, everything would have good?
Him couldn't use the sponge. Yeah, and just, you know. Yeah, you can't sing, but you try to sing. Yeah, they sing. Like me now, me's a bad dancer. But I'm ready to just sing in the shower, you know?
Yes.
But you're good otherwise.
Alright, so Lindsay.
I like your fingernail, so I like my pretty fingernail. You
Acha.
can do so.
Acha.
Anyways, move on.
Say less. Say less.
So wait,
That's loyalty. At least.
So you see him kind of biased, cause you the girl give him a good compliment. He might say, yeah, he might want date her. If she style him, no, that's how Jamaican stand channel star.
Honest baby girl. Say less. That is it.
Alright. Alright, so why you pop the balloon?
I think the singing was so unnecessary. I think if you sing, you just got audition for Rising Star. But me is a type of person, Mother prefer Magnum Kings and Queen type of man.
You see, the thing is, them look compatible in that. Cause she look like say, I what does have to just base off her looks? Cause we don't know who they. I don't know who they are. You might know, but I don't. The height and everything, and you know the physique, them look like them could have gone on a date together. The two of them tall, two of them have chopped, as in them big in our body. All of them look kind of slim, not maga, slim, but yeah.
You get to me and say, swag not up today. You're here nappy. You could have get a sponge and sponge it out, you know. Come with something because you know, say, we are going to pull up. You get what I say? But big up yourself.
All right, Lindsay. Would it have been a match if she never popped the balloon?
No.
Why?
Come my head sick bad. Me mad. I'm in a bus gun. I'm in a gunman family. I'm in a gunman son. I'm in a gunman brother. I'm in a gunman man. Physical. Me start the bridge. Physical.
Oh, so you just assure her, say, you're good youth.
Yeah, but I'm kind of, you know, up as to few moments.
So what that mean? Like, meaning like she go for bad man?
Hey, no, confused, bro. That's next, bro. Confused, bro.
Okay.
Next.
Follow me on Instagram, official_Abigail17. I know some of the pan TikTokers, Panada, me the real pill girl. Big up on yourself.
Sugar, a nice girl. My girl don't hear me.
Why you pop the balloon?
1 in 2 manga. 2 in ear look like when come and fall look.
Listen, this maga thing, that me not know, this maga thing, no ladies, me know say if you have weight pan you, you're not gonna like when a man tell you say, oh, you're fat. Like, him don't like you just because you're fat. It is, you get me, I say, it's not a good way to call it, where you can judge people. I get say if I don't know, bro, but I get say if you can't manage your weight and everything, but though, this tell the person or discriminate against the person and say, oh, that's the reason. Because a fat person can turn slim. And just like how a slim person can get fat, is yet I just can't understand how people base them even love off of that, bro. If you say, oh, I love this person because them slim. Or I love this person because them not fat and them have muscles and them buff and them can just lose that. Like, you get me? I say, like, God forbid anything happen to the, like, God forbid, what does I say? Anything happen to the person, some man or woman, if the man stop exercise, him start put on weight now, probably, for instance, him have a bad back now. So now him can't lift weights, him can't do nothing now, him have to sit down most of the time. And you as him woman now for come and try help him out. No for a young girl not doing that. So when you now go talk and I come say, oh, I want this type and this and slim man and fat man and yo, if him slim now and him get fat, you willing to stay with him? You meet him slim, him good, but no something happen and him put on weight. You willing to, you get me and say, like, I just say love stop and start? Like, no. If I say, I don't know if me I get this thing wrong with the whole love thing, because you know if I true me up on the market for years, like me not single for years, me in a relationship for years, so me not too up on the market for look woman. I don't know if it change up now, if it a different way of looking woman, you have to tell her all type of things, say she this and her makeup not that and her. I don't know. When me I look woman, brother, a number, if the number not get it done there, so if me and I talk like, and me I talk conversate, so we just see each other, probably meet up, and probably we don't want to flex or something, and we start talk to one another, you know, start talk about the flex, start talk about what go on, and we have a vibe, and then we exchange number, and then we start talking on WhatsApp and everything. You get me? I say, I saw you move on, I just look pan her, and then I not go look pan her for say, alright, you know, so that girl is fat, I not like her. No, you and her a vibe, so you and her they don't stand up with each other and on a vibe and you never come, but we don't know what another, but you see, and just start a vibe. So, how fatness, how slimness, how this, I don't never cut out that part, but I saw it go.
Look, some of you lay egg. 3, man, we always say like gold digger, we never have no gold for dig. So, yeah, that's it.
Okay. All right, Lindsay.
All right.
Would it be a match if she never popped the balloon?
No, bro, man, I cap. Can I say something?
Yeah.
Watcha.
Circus get holiday.
What that mean?
Leave that to the unknown.
No talk, what that mean?
What that mean? What that mean? What that
Like,
mean?
I'm here in a circus.
What that mean, brother? You see me, I tell them I don't like the disrespect for disrespecting. Though, like, I don't know. Where they get this from? I don't know. This is how y'all like disrespect woman, dog. Like, come on, y'all move like a female. She say you're ugly and she don't like you. Next. That's why no found no man go do things to a woman because the woman move on left for no. I don't can't get it now in the brain. Say, brother, the woman move on. She gone on with her next man. She move on with her life. You move on to. In your head, you and her on the left. She left you long time, but in your damn head, you and her on the left. So anyway you see her, anyway you feel like you can just pull up on her and that and mash up someone, no man. Head. But you don't continue. Not because I'm in a relationship. I can tell you that's why I'm steady in a relationship. I'm not brag, I'm not boss, but just I tell you straight. Say if you want, like if you go through them one thing there, just get steady in a relationship. Stop look upon slimness, stop look upon fatness, stop look upon them something there. Look upon whoever you have within, brother, where you have now too. Don't go out there go look for nobody who not look for you neither, brother. Look for who you have right now and stop look for people who not look upon no. Stop. Because this it to me, this going on YouTube I try find love, it not gonna work. Me can guarantee unless on decide say yo, we're gonna do this as a business. We're gonna make a YouTube family. So we're gonna come together and say, alright, the relationship is based on this. I say even that, trust me, in the future, when things start get hard pan you not gonna like it, dog. I'm not gonna cut this you have to find the right vibe, brother. Just find the right vibe. Find your vibe for the person. Stop look on slimness, fatness, clothes. Come on, man. Look on the person within. Alright? Jano. That's my opinion, bro.
Just look on your head. You just need a clone mask.
To the unknown.
Whatever. Hi, I'm Sexy Teen. My Instagram is Sexy Teen with 3E876 and my TikTok is sexy_TEAN.
Alright, so why you pop the balloon?
Nice people.
I don't like how him fling himself when him a walk. Him just a fling. I don't like that about him.
Oh, like in movement.
Yeah, him not walk like, you know, him posture not up, him not look confident with the way my walker come in. I fling himself too much.
Okay. Alright, so that's it.
Yeah, man.
If anything else, what you like about
The girl can't even look on him.
Alright, him seem like a cool person again.
She can't even look on him.
Lindsay, what you think?
You know what me I move so I drink up the alcohol, me I drink, you know, me I eat sweet and them things so, you know, I'm kind of hyperactive now.
Cool.
Yeah, I'm kind of hyperactive now.
Okay.
No, I'm not drunk.
Alright, so you don't rate her?
No, hold on. We never, you didn't know that? I never know they were drinking before the show. Like, what the hell is going on? Well, I don't know. I don't know, I'm different. And, yeah, I don't know if I talk too much, but I just can't, like, I just reached 10 minutes in the video and I can't understand what's going on. I cannot comprehend this. It's hard to watch. I'm not lie to you. It's hard to watch.
From 1 to 10.
To be honest, I give her a 7.
7.
I give her a 7.
Okay.
What you like about her?
I like her style and thing and she kind of honest, you know. I'm more to that. She talk her mind.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright.
That is it.
Alright.
Hi everyone, I'm Giselle. Please follow me on Instagram at Giselle2024 and at TikTok at Giselle Williams.
Come to the front.
Nice females.
Alright, so you never pop the balloon. Why you never pop the balloon?
Alright, okay, here.
Confident and him seem like him have a great personality.
Okay, you like that?
Like that with a nigga, just come out and be himself.
Okay.
No matter how them look and how them dress.
Oh, like the goofy, like that?
Yes, match my energy.
Okay, alright. Lindsay, what you think about her?
Boy.
Boy.
Alone in a dark room.
I do her. I do her.
Eh? Alone in a dark room, boy. Watch the man alone now.
Alright.
Alright.
Alright, so she never pop up the balloon, right? So more you ask her a question based on the answer, you and her can be a match, right? So ask her a question.
Pretty got you now. To be honest. Just be honest, talk your mind.
Okay.
You like a man who drive?
It no matter.
What kind of question that? What you mean by if you like a man will drive? What What you mean by if she like a man we drive? What that mean? Out of all of the questions them in the world, my general, for ask a female, if I me that say, why your number? You know, something like that. So, something just to make sure say, yeah, move on to the next step, to the next connection level. What is this? That's the thing, no, people. Only need to tell me that because me not know that. Is this the new thing now? This a video I make my mistake. This is the first episode now. 8 months ago. So this not a year yet. Well, last year 2024. Is this a new trend now? How man look woman now? Man look woman now?
Suppose me tell you come look for me. You don't take taxi come look for me?
You bring one taxi to me. It all depends on how I feel. Well,
So if you feel 100, you don't take a taxi come look for me?
no. Why you come to me?
Me not
Depends.
understand.
If you're sick and you feel like you want to drop down, well, fine. I understand. But if me not feel good, I'm not coming. You can bring one on time or something.
My baby girl, my broke, me no work.
If it's not a match, you can burst the balloon. All right, Lindsay, why you pop the balloon?
Seems like a gold digger.
But she just me not understand dog. Me do because she say she if she for come look for you, she not take taxi. But, like what she what is that? Me not. You ask her should I take bus? Probably she not like taxi. Probably she like bus. You ask her that? Like, cause of the same chat, you probably she want to go up on a bicycle. Probably she like bike. What is going on there? Like, I can't, the video just start. I'm not watch all of this. I can't tell you. Like 5 more minutes of this dog, I'm gone, brother. I don't know what it, like, this is the first episode. I need to see the last one. Because this is, I don't know. I don't know if it's the new thing. And this is just the first youth. What is going on, man?
Listen.
My name is Shauna K, or you can call me Shauna. You can follow me on Instagram, Shauna, and TikTok, Princess Nene or Shanadan21.
Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait?
May I take out? May I cool down a little bit, cause that was just the first youth, and me no know if I because theme energy make that never so, but make us see what go on next again. Cause I tell them, I give 5 minutes, but that was just the first youth. So make us see what go on. Rascal. Hold on.
First, come to the side.
Hold on.
G.
Voila. What is this?
Whoa. Chacha.
I must
When
say
not
first
even wait
dog.
until him introduce himself.
Yo, I said them stay, you know. Them leave us and back. I said them stay.
What you know, me ask. Cool it down. Say, would it been a match if she never popped the balloon?
No.
Why?
I don't know my speed, but...
I know your speed? Like what kind of speed?
She's kind of too old.
3 months, bro, and something.
Okay, alright. We'll move on. Alright, so why you pop your balloon?
Him look premature.
Like what you mean?
Him not done develop yet. He look weak.
But the thing is, she look the same. She to me, she don't look mature to me. So you see me and tell you see if you got a fling out them disrespect there, don't be that. You get me and say, don't do that. Like, me just can't, like, no. If you come on the show and you know, say, how you gonna just know you don't like the person based on just looks. Just because somebody can be very ugly, like them can ugly to you, and as you look upon him and you say, boy, that person ugly, man. But them are the nicest person to you in that room, brother. And everybody are treat you like you know the word already. But that one, the ugly person here, I treat you the best. So what you gonna do? Turn your back on the ugly person just because them look ugly? Then you're a stupid person. You'll be a stupid person, a very stupid person. And then at the end of the day, only God can save you at that point, because if you gotta look on toxic people, people who are treat you bad, them look good, them the flashiest set of new shit. Sorry, I know about that. New things. But them a treat you like dog. Are you around them same way, dog? That toxic. And if you're around toxic people, that means that you're toxic also. And toxic people will send them to Mars. Like it's when time we are develop things to go on Mars. Yeah, toxic people. Yeah, over there we are gonna send them. I can't get it. It's just pack up over there, brother. Yeah, I will leave here and go leave. You wanna the other.
It looks like he needs some oats and some green banana and some dumpling. Him not ready yet.
She look the same. She look the same. What is going on? She look the same. She look. What is going on this thing to Rastafari, Father God? Welcome to the channel, Irie-Actions. Irie-Acts, sorry, welcome to the channel. What is going on? Please tell me what is going on here. So, like, people, if you don't watch this already, please, if you don't watch the rest of the episode, them, please comment and tell me if I saw the rest of the episode them stay. Come on now, go watch it in the I'm now watch the episode them. Let's watch the last one and come off of this thing. Because what is this? What is this, dog? Is this me no know. Me no know.
Yo, man, I get bored still, now.
Alright, so would it have been a match if she never popped the balloon?
She had tell me to pick her up and fling her away, so me and say, yo. But no.
No?
No.
Alright. Who asks you?
No.
Eh?
No.
What you say?
You see me, I tell you, people just can't buy us.
Like a half handicap, to be honest.
People,
I just don't date
just
guys
go
who
watch the
too young
video.
for them age.
Please, go watch the video.
Oh, so I'm lucky young.
Yes.
And tell me, because I cannot watch no more. Please, I beg you, I cannot watch no more. You go watch the video and come back here so and tell me how the rest of this go. I cannot watch no more of this. Cannot watch no more of this. Make a link in the description and you go watch it. Come back here so and make me know if cost me. If that be the case and I fuck and I F for me that time, I keep on a curse. Cost me in the comment section. Cause me not like this. If this are the new thing and I mean in a sense, cost me. So go watch the full video. So the first episode I Pop the Balloon Challenge. Go watch it, please. We'll just go to the last one. I can't watch no more of this. See Trouble Link.
Spell customer.
Videos. We'll watch the last one. So this uploaded 3 weeks ago. And I guess I outro you. So we'll just watch the last one. Like,
oh, my name is.
No, they can't do with that, man. Point.
At the last, like, alright. I look like at the same thing. So alright, people. So this is the last episode. Could just like it from now. We'll just get a like. I remember for subscribe. You know. I want to subscribe, but I just know I'm not going to watch no more of this, dog. I know I'm not going to watch no more of this. So, because, please, if you like them type of content, if you want me to rock to the rest of them, let me know. But it got torture me, because I know I'm not like them. So, but if you don't want me to react to the rest of it, or the whole full video, just let me know in the comment section. Jesus have mercy, Father God. Alright, so this is the last episode of them do for 2024. See it upload 3 weeks ago. Pop the Balloon Challenge. Irie-Acts. Here we go.
International TV, man.
Right here, sir?
Jesus have mercy.
Sending the first mail. Come to this side.
No.
Son of
no.
right here.
Oh, that.
Okay.
Today I'm going to show you my talent.
Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
My name is Jasmine. I popped the balloon because I like curly heads. Playing with hair and
It's a crystal ball though.
No, I don't like crystal balls.
Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Alyssa, because you're just not my type. I don't like your outfit, like your style. Yeah, you're just not my type.
Oh, I saw life go. I don't like your outfit either. Pants look like your shorts look
I
like a
really
sheet.
don't like your attitude either.
What do you think about her based on her appearance?
No, that is a no for me.
It's a no for you? How much did I rate her from 1 to 10 though?
I would give her a 4.
Novo Pandora.
Ready for the first meal? Yeah? You ready? Alright, send in the first meal. Come to this side. Stand up right here. Alright. Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself.
My name is Randy.
Rodney?
Yeah.
Alright, Rodney. What type of job you do?
Construction.
Construction. Alright, so what's your type though, Rodney?
I like slim girls.
Like slim girl?
Yeah.
Alright, that's awesome. Alright then. Alright. So everybody.
Jesus have mercy. No, hold on.
Just so that I can say everybody in a pop the balloon. Alright, so we got some pops. You ready for find out why them pop the balloon?
Yeah.
You wanna start with she? Yeah. Alright. Your name and shout out the social why you pop the balloon.
My name is Jasmine. I popped the balloon because you said you only like slim girls. Like, I don't know. I just don't like that comment.
Oh yeah.
Yes, he said no, yes, he said I know something that me attack. Another F word that me attack. You see what she just say? Him comments alone by just saying him like just slim girls. Like what you mean? You get me and say you can't just and you see she can say she look international. So she not look like them regular Jamaican they will just see from season 1. She look international, well spoken girl. We're not stereotype but as you can see. You hear what she say? You see me tell you say Jamaican mindset small. What's mindset small, brother? I'm overseas and in place and nobody now look on the slimness and the fatness. For love? No, brother. Nobody now look on them something there if you're overweight, but you're kind, them we work with you. I help you and forget your slim down and stuff like that. I don't know, you see, I'm first coming. Oh, I like slim girl. She not like that comment the base pan because you can't weigh me and she have weight. She's not a slim girl. She actually have her weight. You can't
You only like slim girl.
Yeah.
You don't like that.
Yeah, like why you only like slim girls? You shouldn't focus on their bodies. Yeah.
Alright, so why
Yes, sister,
you
have
have
sense,
probably
dog.
love slim girls.
Me never.
That's his type though.
Yeah,
But
but
you didn't like
I
that?
didn't like it. Yeah.
Alright. So based on his appearance though, how many would you rate him? Like, what's a rating would you give him?
6.
6 out of 10?
Yeah.
Alright. Valid?
Yeah.
Alright. What about her? What do you think about her?
I give her 8.
8 out of 10?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, if you saw her on the road, would you approach her?
Yeah, I would approach her.
What would you say?
him not
I wouldn't even.
him not approach sheep on the road. She you can't even walk near. You not even left like from there on the same side of the road. You can't walk beside one another. She'll go over the side and you just step on the side. And if you ever cross the road while she cross the road, she'll run, brother. Jamaica, she dep on the left. I walk and you dep on the left too. And she see you a walk come down and she cross to the right. And you cross to the right same time. Do that now. She run left you. So I'm talk about if she dep on the road. You can't approach she, brother. I can't guarantee. In a Jamaica, no. Get it that
You wouldn't.
Don't get that thinking.
I would just.
You wouldn't even talk?
No.
If he approached you, you wouldn't talk to him?
No, I would just walk away.
What I say? Yes, sister, yo, people, I just want to see some actually know what me I talk about. She just said out her mouth, if him ever approach her on the road, she would have never opened up her mouth. Not even for say afternoon to him. I tell you, if I know them girl, like, me not date Reese like me not date, but me know females. Me know how them headspace stay, dog. She not say nothing to him. She walk past him like, you know when stone, you know when you saw a stone on the road, and you just a long time when you saw a big stone, and you just walk past it. That's all. You know, even take it up, you just walk past it the same way. So she that deal with him, dog. I'ma say it before she even say what she just said a while ago.
Why?
Because I don't like when men come up to me in public.
Okay.
Honestly, I don't. It makes me uncomfortable.
Oh, it makes you uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so you give her an 8 out of 10?
Yeah.
All right, what you like about her?
She had a little bit of taste.
She have a little bit of taste?
Yeah.
A little bit of taste. All right.
What you mean?
I like her lips and I like her long hair.
Thank you.
Yeah? All right. All right, then. Let's go on to the next one. Your name and why you pop the balloon?
My name's Alyssa, and I popped the balloon because like physical appearance just wasn't there for me. I don't think you're my type.
Okay. He's not your type? Yeah. All right, so if he approach you in the streets, though,
I definitely would walk away.
listen what he said first before?
No, because if your appearance doesn't grab me, I'm not gonna stop.
See?
So you wouldn't hear what he have to say?
No, I wouldn't.
Just walk away?
Just walk away.
All right, so based on his appearance, how many would you rate him?
Like 5 out of 10.
Oh, 5 out of 10. What do you think about that?
That's good.
That's good?
Yeah.
All right. How much did I rate her out of 10?
6.
6?
Yeah.
Okay.
6?
Yeah, I like her.
But
hair
you
and
slim.
I like her nose.
Her nose.
Interesting.
Him rate the you see me tell you say it not come off on a slim or on a fatness because you literally see him just give she 8 and then she slim and him give her 6. So it's just like I just talk him a talk. I just most men them just talk about feelings. It's 6 and 10 and 8 and 1. Them just talk about feelings. Nobody watch that.
What you mean? What that mean? What does that mean?
Nobody's ever said I have a nice nose before.
Okay.
That's nice. It's a nice compliment. Thanks.
He gave you a 6. You're okay with that?
I'm okay with that.
All right. All right. Let's go down to the next person. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
My name's Nay. I popped the balloon because the appearance. I feel like if you coming in here, it should be a little bit better of an appearance, considering you trying to impress a
because
couple
I'm
of
coming
people.
from work.
Oh, from work.
Yeah.
Okay. Where do you work?
Construction.
Oh, okay. All right.
See.
Yeah? So, is he your type though?
You see them doing it, but they ask him and say, oh, we are like, you know, we are come from somewhere, you come on the show, you just look so dog. Like, you just forward, just so brother. He might come from work. He is a construction worker. How you expect him to look? If he might do construction work, more like he's a mason. So you know mason and do all different type of things. Do tiling, plumbing, all different type of things. I don't know.
No?
No.
How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
Like a 4.
4? Why 4?
Just not my type. I'll just leave it at that. It's not my type.
All right. What do you think about her based on her appearance?
She's not my type. But I would give her a 6.
6 out of 10?
Yeah.
But she's not your type? Oh, because you say you like slim girls.
Yeah.
Slim, yeah.
All right. That's good.
Hey, if you like it, I love it.
Okay. All right, let's go down to this side. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
She never did done pop.
Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
The only one we never pop, just pop. But why? Oh God, oh my God, that's strange.
Hi, I'm Chrissy, and I popped the balloon because of the appearance. Me no lobby at all.
Oh, you know what?
Me no lobby.
You not love it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you not love it?
Lobby.
Okay. His appearance.
Mm-hmm.
But him say I come from work like.
Yeah, understandable. Pretty cool and everything, but just not my type.
Alright, so basically before him walk in, him say if a girl don't want him in her working clothes, him not really want her when him clean.
Well, everybody have them take.
Alright, so how much you rate him from 1 to 10?
Maybe I give him a 5 still, 'cause I'm cool.
5 out of 10?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think about that?
I give her a 6 for her honesty.
6 for the honesty.
Mm-hmm.
So about her features?
She okay.
She okay? Okay, alright. Let's go down to the next side. Your name? Why pop the balloon?
Leah, pop the balloon. Just know you look chicky, man.
Chicky?
Chicky. Unstable.
Cheeky.
What's
cheeky. Is it cheeky? Cheeky. Oh, cheeky is a childish term for chicken or chick. Cheeky is an adjective that means disrespectful or impudent in speech or behavior. I'm gonna get what cheeky. Or she mean cheeky. And then cheeky, I'm gonna see cheeky I'll come here. So is it a new, I don't know, but alright, we'll just continue.
That's a out word, cheeky?
Pick it up from some of my friends them. But yeah, no man, you know look presentable.
She just made that up. What is cheeky? I don't understand. What is that word? Cheeky is for chickens. It's not. We are dealing with. We don't understand. What? Is this she intelligent or something? Because she got she picked up from her friends them. And if your friends them say that to you, the first thing you say, "We are talk about what you mean by cheeky?" And then from them say, "Oh, I just want to talk." Cut that out. What you mean by cheeky? Like, is it cheeky or cheek? What I don't even know what it could have mean. Like, I don't know. Come.
Just, I mean, I understand say just come from work and thing, but no, sweetheart.
Okay, alright. So if him approach you on the road though.
But I walk past.
I feel like none of them not ask him like where you like how much you work. Like no, we're not talk salary like like for just, but it's a show. It's a game show, would I say? And you have to ask questions for know what is who you are dealing with. Everybody is rejecting this dude because because of his appearance. Everybody are rejecting him because of his appearance. Nobody ask him. So alright, the construction work. So how much money you make? You can support a woman. You have a house. You drive him have the big old key in front time this upon him waist. Nobody now ask him if him drive. Nobody now ask him if him have him house. You have no pitney. You married. You ever married before? You want marriage? No. Everybody just say appearance. What is this appearance? Some Instagram thing on the want or something? Like I'm tell you, say no for them girl, them a run down some Instagram man. And me a tell you say, hey, them pocket a go burn them man. Because you see the man have a work, him have a key, he look like a bike key, but at least him have something. At least the man have something that the man have a work. Somewhere, something a drive, ride, whatever, him can drop it from point A to point B. Obviously, him probably a stay somewhere. Him a work. Him not live on the road. Him have somewhere if him a pay rent or if him a live in him people, him house, whatever. Me not hear none of them female ask, none of them question a dog. Like, what is going on? Is it so we date nowadays, dog? Want to them question there. Want to. Me not say if you just go out and ask people them salary, but ask them you can support a female. You can't have a girlfriend, brother, because you have enough man out there. Them only look good, them can't have a woman. It no matter what kind of woman it be. She could have money. And him just can't have her. Him can't maintain because it's either him there on a bag of man or him there on studio. They're on Yassa with Tom. They're on Yassa with Ray. And so you get me and say you might look good there. I don't know where to get this thing from. I don't know if I the show I just be biased off of appearance, to be honest. I don't know if I just when them tell them for just base them off their appearances. But ask questions where where you can find out who is this person, who are you dealing with. No for she literally say if a man approach her upon the road, she not gonna feel comfortable. So then, all right. Where so if a man so it must be good looking for approach upon the road. So it may say a good looking man. You understand? I like all me, you know. Handsome looking youth. I see girl upon the road and just approach her and my approach her and say something and based off of my looks and everything, you just give me a number and everything. In your head, you know think say how much other girl him out there so? I turn up I watch and I wait to see when them and just approach them and say, hey, hello. Can I have your number? And then them give him the number because him look good. She just think about them something that you can't just get out or people approach you based off of them appearance. Suppose him want help. Suppose him actually come to you and say, you know, some want some help. Manana bus fare fee. You get me? I say, you just not gonna hear what I say because I'm appearance. Like them thing they not like your heart, man. You have to look upon yourself now and wonder why you're single. Because at the end of the day, probably you find a good man already. And just because your heart, you understand me? I know you stay as a person. You just can't keep him. Or even if it's a man and the girl good, you just can't keep her, brother. It's strange. Strange, man, strange. None of them. I mean, I watch a video 10 minutes now. And I just the first one this time. Why may I do this to myself? Why may I? Mom, no. Hold on. After him, and that's it. I know we're not going to watch the video. After him, and then we watch one more of them, and then we're not going to watch the video. I cannot watch all of this. If you really want me to take it on light and react to all of this, comment and make me know. But brother, I am so sorry, dog. I cannot watch any more of this. It actually I get to me now because thank God me never take it in because this a waste my damn time. Me I tell you so the first 2 minutes me turn on this and realize what am I talking about, what it is about. Next, me not watching this, dog. I can guarantee you say my free time, I will not be watching this. If episode 10 come out tomorrow, me not watch it. This, no, sir.
That's him.
Done.
Alright, so how much you rate him from 1 to 10?
3.
3?
Alright, so people said the last one I go watch last you, but now watch no more. If you want to go watch it, finish watch it, go and go watch it. Me gonna leave the link them in the description. Please go watch the video. Because if you like them something, go and go watch it. Cause no. Not me. These are the last one. People, if you see me put no more of them video up on the channel, me get forced to do it. You hear me? I tell you, the comment section, blame them, don't blame me. Alright, just have to make you know, you know.
Right now, I'm not like I feel relaxed. I don't feel like I want to go Kingston. You see it? Remember the bikini tsunami, April the 13th, people. Anybody in them bikini or own a bikini, come out and enjoy yourself. You see it? Information down below on the don't know. Females, are you ready for the next mail? Are you ready? Alright, send in the next mail for me now. Alright, please, can we wait until he's right? You don't have a toothpick? You want a toothpick? Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Can I get a hug? From Makuma, I'm gonna get a hug. Please? You done with me? Can I get a hug, please? Ready for the next meal? Yeah. You ready? Yeah. All right, let's go. Right here, sir.
Jesus Christ.
See you later.
All right. Him not introduce himself all now.
That's how you go, man. Such is life, you know?
Introduce yourself, Maji.
All right, good night, ladies. DJ Shadow from Ochi. Yeah, no thing going on.
All right, so you're a DJ?
Yeah, man. Selector, songwriter. Yeah, them thing there.
All right, so their question is like, do you want kids? Or do you have kids?
Yeah, I have a son, you know?
Oh, you have a son?
Yeah, man.
All right. Do you have a problem with female that have a child already?
No, man.
I never hear him ask them question before. I never hear him ask the kids. And that's why I say none of them not ask the question. In the previous one, none of them not ask the question. And him look like a person where that asks the question. You understand me? You have a vehicle, blah, 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 you have kids. Alright.
Nothing is wrong with that, you know?
Nothing wrong with that.
Once you're a mother, that means care and have love inside you, you know?
And what's your type, though?
My type? Well, a humble person, hardworking, have ambition, know what you want in a life. Smart, you know?
Not bad. Not bad.
Yeah.
Alright, so we got some pops. We're gonna find out why them pop the balloon. You ready?
Yeah, man, nothing wrong with that, man.
Alright, we'll start right here.
No, I want to start with she first.
Alright, so let's start here and go down the line, yeah?
So.
Hold on, come right here, sir. I'll start right here and go down the line, yeah?
Oh, yeah, man.
Yeah. Your name, why you pop the balloon?
My name is Jasmine. I popped the balloon because you're not my type, and I wouldn't be with someone who has kids because I don't want to have kids.
Oh, you don't like kids?
No.
Oh, so I'm not your type?
You're not in my type, yeah, and I don't like
Well,
kids.
you're not my type either because...
What she mean by she not like? Alright, I can't get saying I like kids, but I know. I guess people out there have some different thing about them because I not everybody gonna like kids. I'm gonna get that. I not everybody gonna want a family. But then why? Yeah, well, I guess everybody need to find love. Man, not lie to you, everybody can find love, but then certain a man out there right now where I gotta tell you say yo him no want kids. Well, you understand me where him literally I tell you say yo you know someone no want him I say to you as a female say him no want kids. And him there with you like 200 together and everything and him literally I tell you say yo him no want him not have none, you know. Him not have none. When I like say him have already and then him I say yo him no want no more. Him not have none at all. And you not have none neither. And yeah say yo when at the time you know we gotta start a family. And the man I got said to you say, yo, him no want kids. So what all of this for then? I get said to female because I fear her body. I remember she go through most of the pain in the dog. But we are gonna find a man in a 2025. A straight man. Let me say that. Cause come like you know get what me I say. A straight man. For say yo, 2025, him no want kids. Unless him can't produce. Because him get say if him have already, you know, dog. And him no want no more. But uno there. And do every night. And when you say, yo, what go on? Me can rest for the next 9 months, you know. Yeah, she can rest for the next 9 months. And go through this pain and this thing. So what you do? And you gotta look upon her and tell her, say, oh, babes, dear babes, you shoot. What kind of as a Jamaican man not even put it into as a Jamaican dog. So as me say, she's on the show trying to find love. They get it, that's man ask, you understand me? She's on the show trying to find a man in her life who can make sense to she. She can't up on the show. And I gotta say, one of our criterias of picking a man is that him no want kids. Not like no kids, and she don't like kids. Alright, like you're not straight. Like I just feel like people would think like that, they're not straight, dog. You're on this earth for a reason. Everybody have them choices, and I get it. And I say I fear about it. She's choosing it, but I'm saying don't be on this show. Don't be on a Jamaican show. You get me? And say I look for a Jamaican man, and then I go say you don't want kids. And you don't like kids. Just like how the man asks who like Jesus, put up your hand if you believe in a Jesus, and I just one of them put up them hand. you're looking at Jamaica, you're there. If I'm asked that in a meaning say him school is spiritual. You have some men, they are very spiritual persons, and females, them go church. They're very spiritual people. And them ask a simple question like that. A simple question like that. That me just can't understand. It's like you go Africa and I look for a brown girl, a white female. Like you literally go the Congo and Uganda and Ghana, and you out there a search for a white woman. That's how it look to me now, you know. With them females I know, you know, that. I'm not learning them. It's so long I pause the video, I'm all done. Like, I'm literally tell you, so like, people, I'm done with this. I don't even watch a second more at this video. If you want to get enough of my reaction already, you don't get my reaction already, you know. If you don't want more, you have to like and subscribe and share that video, dog, and make people come comment and say, yo, no, Bush team, we need to see the rest of your reaction. I have to see Bush team, because no, sir, brother, what is this? No, I'm done watch this. I tell you, I'm done. I don't even want to hear a second. If you want to watch it, if you want to watch it, go on. The link there. It's timestamp it. 15 minutes and 37 seconds. Go on, go watch it. Go on, go watch it. Because me can't bother watch this no more. I'm done with this. 2 years old, you cannot be in Jamaica looking at Jamaican man, and one of your criteria is you don't want to have kids. Very difficult to find out unless him have kids already. And if him have kids already, him come with baggage, come with problem. Him have a baby mother, him go live with a woman. Pack your bag and go on, my girl. Me I tell you straight. If you want kids and you want, you know, even if you don't want it, dog, don't act like, you get me? You may act like you want it, dog. If that be the case, make him say, yo, no man, base man, I don't have a youth already, man. I wear some man. You get me? I say, don't be the one for say, no, sir, I don't want a man, I want to pick me, I want to pick me. That does show the type of person you are, dog. Just imagine, you don't feel like, say, him have family member who have kids. You don't feel like, say, him have friends who have kids. And then when him bring you around the people and you know, or it's supposed him say, I look for auntie. And auntie have our kids them up there. Yeah, go up there, make up face. Pick them go there, say, hi, you know, you're white, you look different, them don't know you. Hi, and you go there, scan the pitney them because you don't like pitney. At Jamaica, you there, brother. Get that on the damn head, brother. I don't know when to get this. I don't know what this come. I don't know if I feel the show them I do this for. I don't know if this happen internationally. If I saw them date overseas, them look if you have kids and them ask if I don't know, dog. I'ma feel like mega react to some overseas shows, like some single shows or overseas, and see if it's a mindset or a culture thing. Because me not hear them ask no good question. You know them question there. We look for a partner and say, yo, if him have them thing and stable down, like, you know, them 1 and 2 thing here done and ready up, him can have a woman. Meaning say him can support you. He must support him children if him have any. He must help him family if him still have with him family. Them little something they look upon, you don't look upon just appearance. And you can't just say I look upon appearance and then those stuff. You'll never find nobody. Or them will trick you. Them will trick you. Trust me, them will trick you. Because it's hard for fake realness. It's hard for fake being real. When you're real, you're real. When you're fake, it's hard for real be real, dog. When somebody had be fake to you, or when them a try to be real, and them fake, you see through that like glass. You see through them like glass, and you don't even realize. Sometimes people see through people, and just because of the moment, them not take it in consideration. Them push it off. Cause them most people. So as I say, people, I'm out. I have to do the outro of the video. So the link them in the description. Run go watch the video them. The angle part might different, but as I say, my camera battery died. So just work with a different angle. Out. Respect.